Today is June 12, 2025. Fireworks commemorating the birthday of Dr. Roxita here in Calamba City. Hey! Fireworks everywhere. Hi guys. Thank you for watching again. Oh, wala na. Wala na bang kasunod? Kanina pa kasi nagpa-fireworks eh. Hindi ko naman binidyohan. Oh. Wala na. Ano tayo sa gym papasok? To continue the video.
Mabigat ang trabaho. Dapat pala kasi nagpupulit at buong katawan ay fixed. Ito mo tayo pala set.
Exercise is the best defense you may have against anxiety, stress, depression, and a whole host of other. Brusco Gym is the video. June 12, 2025. Ha? Ah, I'm sorry. June 19. Birthday of Jose Rizal. Yun ang tinatawag na ano.
Memory loss.
Ha?
Memory loss.
Memory loss. Ganun pala pag 73 years old ka na. Memory loss. This is shoulder shrug by Albert for the shoulder.
Hindi kaya ako nasaktan sa kulog eh.
Sorry. June 12. Buti nandito ka, na-correct mo ako.
Siyempre.
Habang during the video. Marireach mo din ang 73 years old, Albert.
Yes, tayo.
Tapos, ganito pala, kaya pala si tatay nun eh. Nagkamali. Memory loss. Memory gap. May memory gap na ako.
Take your time.
I am already 73, guys. Sorry for the mistake. Wala ko. Chest exercise over there. By Dustin. Nakamasipag.
Ito yun. Pato namin. Ito na yung pato ng Bruce.
Wala na, pagod na eh.
Hindi pa yan.
Ipagkita oh. Ayun oh, nagsisilpon na lang.
Phobia sa camera yan eh.
May
Julius,
phobia ba?
Julius.
Oo.
Minsan ka lang mabidyohan.
Wala. Pagod pa ako.
Oh.
Oo. Sayang, alam mo naman ang YouTube.
Dinosaur. Pag nakakita ko to
Abot sa buong mundo.
Tatay, tanong
Oh, Julius,
ko.
bot na.
Buhatay ko to, dinosaur.
Bot na, oh.
Pabuot na, sayang oh.
Julius, bot na yun.
Nakatutok ang camera.
Bumot ka na.
Today is June 19, 2025. Ah, ang ginagawa ba? Go, go, go!
Ay, eto na kayo.
Ah, diyan natin, ano, Julius?
Tayo.
Ayun oh, nawala na yung phobia sa camera. Aba, may nakasabit pa, dalawa. Grabe naman to, inistab naman yung equipment ko, pinula.
Tapos na ako tayo.
Tapos ka na. Pagod ka na eh. Dalawa pa lang yung nakasabit oh. Ayun oh. Second set. Test exercise by Julius. The most popular name in Brosco Gym.
Sakto ba yan? Basta ano lang. Ayun, ano tayo mag-tropa.
Wala ka. Hindi, wala nga ka.
Nagdigan pa ng mga bende.
Ah. Ah.
Buhat tayo, takot sa camera din.
Takot sa camera. Okay. Malaki naman ang katawan. Takot sa camera. Ayun o, back exercise by
Mar,
Gian.
dinatalo kayo. Tatlong back kayo.
Exercise empowers you to live a better life. Fit exercise into your schedule always. To have a strong and healthy body. Envision the kind of body you want to be. And believe that you are capable of achieving your goals. Christian will be doing back exercise. Reloading. Adjusting. Exercise promotes adequate sleep, promotes good memory and mental clarity.
Try ko nga magkali. Nakakalima na ako eh.
Test exercise by Alma. Physical training and persistence have been the cornerstones of sure transformation from skinny to muscular body. Exercise can regain lean muscle mass and boost metabolism.
Lower chest, lower chest.
Lower chest. Lower chest exercise. Dedication is the key. Okay.
Game, kayo na yun!
Okay guys, that's all for today. I'll park my camera now. Thank you again for watching my channel, Danilo Gampon channel. Bye.